Hello, for this video today you will need the safety eyes, a fiber fill, and this two type of color of yarn, a 4.0mm crochet hook, scissor, and darning needle. For making the eyes, form a slip knot, chain of 3, then slip stitch second chain from the hook, slip stitch in the first, make a chain and cut the yarn. For the ears, magic ring, chain, and then add 5 single crochet inside the ring. For the feet and hands, form a magic ring, chain, and then 6 single crochet inside the ring. Now for making the head, you can click in my description below for the head tutorial, or in my last or recent videos you can click that one and make the head. Then after that, you can place the safety eyes to this stitch. Then place the eye below the round of 7. Then place the second eye 7 stitches apart. Then after, you can fill with a fiber fill. Now for this pattern, you can find this tutorial on my mini pat and dirt. We all do in a series of pats. You can find this one in my description below. You can click that one for the pat and dirt. And then you will change the color in the last 3 rounds of the crease. Okay, after round 8, we will insert in the round 9 for the dark yarn, make a chain, and then hold these two tail right here, the white and the dark yarn, and make a single crochet. And this is the first single crochet, and put a stitch marker and single crochet in the back loop only, 3. Okay, so 1 2 3 single crochet, and then back loop only, decrease in the next. Repeat a single crochet in the next back loop only, 3 stitches. And then back loop only, decrease in the next. Repeat around for 24 stitches. And then for round 10 and 11, single crochet in the next 2. This is 1 and the next. Then front loop only, decrease. Okay, so repeat this in round 10 until to the last stitch, until you will have 18 stitches. And then for round 11, single crochet and front loop only, decrease for 12 stitches. Once you completed, we will sew or connect these 12 stitches together. And then now place the ear in the after the third round here. And then just sew here. When you still have the extra tail, slip through the extra yarn to make the mouth of the panda. And then now we can add the feet in this round, in the third round below, and just put this in here. Then after that, place the hands below this dark yarn right here. And that's all for the tutorial. If you like this video, consider to subscribe and like this video. And I hope you will see or make the series of these pet animals. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time.